This is the weather forecast video for Saturday, June 25th, 2011. Let's take a look first at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a complex of thunderstorms over the Dakotas into Nebraska, and some cloudiness with some moisture over the southeast into the middle Atlantic and New England states. The storms off to the west will be moving in our direction. Here's the watch warning map from around 1 o'clock in the morning. You can see some flash flood and flood watches over Nebraska, Wyoming, and into parts of California. Otherwise, everywhere east of the Mississippi River is very quiet. But it won't remain that way with this severe weather outlook for today and tonight. A slight risk extends from the Dakotas and Nebraska and eastern Wyoming, and another from southern Iowa through Missouri, Illinois, and into places like Memphis and Jonesboro, Arkansas. Here's the tornado threat for today and tonight. You can see the better chances of tornadoes will be over far southern Iowa, likely the most southern tier of counties around the Highway 2 corridor, down into northern Missouri about the I-70 corridor. Here's the damaging wind threat. The higher probabilities will be in Missouri from about east of Kansas City through Columbia, Jefferson City to St. Louis and into western Illinois, say Mount Vernon, Illinois. Here's the the large hail outlook for today and tonight. The better chances remain in about the same areas as the damaging wind threat, northern and eastern Missouri and west central Illinois. Here's the day 2 outlook. This is for Sunday and Sunday night. A slight risk of severe weather extends from eastern Wyoming through South Dakota, Minnesota, Nebraska, most of Iowa except the northeast, northern Missouri, southern Illinois, Indiana, southwestern Ohio, and most of the state of Kentucky and far northern Tennessee. The better probabilities for severe weather, however, will remain to our west over South Dakota and Nebraska. This likely could be an area where there will be some initiation of showers and thunderstorms, and they'll roll in an MCS through the yellow area down into the Ohio Valley. QPF chart shows that perfectly. Rainfall through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock shows heavy precipitation of upwards of possibly 3 inches, but this could be in isolated spots. So let's take a look at the GFS Model Run, the 0Z run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a fast flow, a west-east flow, wavy pattern over the country, and with that you see a low pressure over about the Kansas-Oklahoma border. There could be some complexes of showers and thunderstorms ongoing, and some redeveloping farther to our west. Sunday, we could see a complex Saturday night into Sunday morning. We could see some dry time Sunday afternoon before the next complex develops, likely to the west over Nebraska and South Dakota. Monday could see the same story. Early morning showers and thunderstorms followed by a break, and then some showers and thunderstorms developing in the afternoon and evening hours. Tuesday, that storm is now gone. High pressure moves in. Temperatures will be warmer, highs back near average, in the lower to middle 80s. Wednesday, model wants to bring back some isolated showers and storms. This will be on the edge of a fairly warm heat dome. By Thursday, you can see some southerly winds, some strong southwesterly winds, so it'll be a breezy day, warm, highs approaching, if not exceeding, 90 degrees. Friday, as we head off toward Independence Day holiday, you can see maybe an isolated shower with a cold front that will try to ease into the northwestern part of the state. We move to a week from today, July the 2nd, the first day of the Independence Day holiday. You can see a fast west-east flow, big, huge heat ridge over the south. And with that, we'll be on the northern end of it, so we may see some possibilities of some showers and thunderstorms. This could be a possibility of night nocturnal thunderstorms, and during the day, it'll be dry. We move further into Voodoo. Here's Wednesday, July the 6th. See a bit of a trough moving in through the Great Lakes states, with a ridge still over the south. At the surface, you can see some scattered showers and thunderstorms around, but nothing too organized, so severe weather will be, if anything, fairly isolated. And at the end of the forecast on July the 10th, ridge is setting up over the desert southwest with a bit of a slight trough over the east. Main storm track up to the north, and with that there could be some popcorn showers and storms over the south. Whereas here we may see some decent temperatures, highs in the 80s, and some decent humidities. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.